Hey there, drone enthusiasts! If you're on the lookout for the ultimate drone experience, look no further than the L600 Pro Max drone. This top-of-the-line quadcopter is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, 1504 brushless motors, and a 90 degrees adjustable 4K HD wide-angle camera, all controlled by a powerful 2.4 GHz remote control. With features like GPS one-click return, intelligent tracking, and gesture recognition, the L600 Pro Max offers an unrivaled flying experience. But that's not all. The L600 Pro Max also comes with a 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system, making your flights safer than ever. You can plan multi-point routes, perform fixed-point surrounds, and even share your incredible photos and videos with ease. Plus, with its foldable arms and compact size, this drone is incredibly easy to carry and transport. And let's talk about battery life. With the 7.4V, 4500 mAh intelligent lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 25 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. Whether you're a professional photographer, an aerial videographer, or just a drone enthusiast looking to take your flights to the next level, the L600 Pro Max has everything you need and more. So what are you waiting for? Grab your L600 Pro Max drone today and take your aerial adventures to new heights. Click the link in the description to get yours now and join the drone revolution.